Hi everybody, my name is Donior and I'm gonna show you what 24 hours in the capital city of Uzbekistan, Tashkent, looks like. So join me in our tour.
In this video, we will visit Hazrat Imam Complex, explore the famous Chorsu Bazaar, ride one of the most beautiful metro systems in the world, walk through Amir Timur Square and finish the day in modern Tashkent City. Our journey begins at Hazrat Imam Complex, one of the most beautiful and important cultural and religious landmarks in Tashkent. This historical area is home to beautiful mosques, madrasas, and impressive center of Islamic civilization, which reflects Uzbekistan's rich Islamic heritage and growing efforts to preserve its history for the future generations. It's a perfect place to start exploring the old side of the Tashkent. So Hazrat Imam Complex has many different buildings and this is one of them. This is Hazrat Imam Mosque. This is one of the most popular mosques in Tashkent. As you see, the architecture is amazing. The complex has different also mosques, but this is one of the biggest ones. And this is the main building over there. It has two minarets, one minaret over here and another one is over there. And this mosque is a really beautiful one. As you see, it has a beautiful courtyard and the beautiful atmosphere inside of it. This is Tashkent Madrasah, one of the oldest and most beautiful buildings in this complex. Its traditional architecture and the peaceful atmosphere make it one of the most memorable places in the old part of Tashkent.
And another interesting building that you can see in this complex is called the Mubarak Madrasah. This madrasa is also one of the most important buildings in this complex. This building itself was built in 14th century.
Right next to the Hazrat Imam Complex stands one of the Tashkent's newest landmarks, the Center of Islamic Civilization. After years of construction, the center officially opened in 2016 and quickly became one of the most impressive cultural attractions in Uzbekistan. Its architecture combines elements inspired by the country's rich history, while inside visitors can explore thousands of exhibits that tell the story of Uzbekistan from ancient civilizations to the modern day. Inside the museum, visitors travel through different periods of Uzbekistan's history, from pre-Islamic civilizations and the great scientific achievements of First and Second Renaissance periods to modern Uzbekistan. The exhibitions combine historical artifacts, manuscripts, interactive displays and multimedia presentations, making the experience engaging even for those who are not interested in history. At the heart of the museum is a spectacular Quran hall beneath the main dome, where one of the oldest Quran manuscripts, the Usman Quran, is preserved and displayed. Just a short walk from Hazrat Imam lies one of the most charming hidden corners of all Tashkent. This historic street offers a glimpse into the city's past with traditional houses, artisan shops, and a peaceful atmosphere rarely found in modern parts of the city. If you're heading to the Chorsu Bazaar on food, this road is definitely worth taking.
Welcome to Chorsu Bazaar. For centuries, this area has been a center of the trade where locals came to buy spices, fresh produce, meat, bread, and traditional goods. Even today, Chorsu remains one of the best places to experience authentic rhythm of the local life. Chorsu Bazaar is also a great place to shop for souvenirs, dried fruit, nuts, spices, and traditional Uzbek products. Just a reminder, cash is still useful here, and bargaining can sometimes help you to get a better price. Right next to Chorsu, you can find Kukeldash Madrasah. It is still active madrasa, so classes are still held there, which is why visitors are expected to stay quiet. However, unlike many other places we visited today, this madrasa has a small entrance fee which is still quite affordable. Instead of taking taxi to our next destination, let's use metro. In Tashkent, even journey itself can be interesting. This is Kosmonavlar station, and honestly, this is my favorite one. This station feels completely different, mainly because of its blue lighting and unusual design. Alisher Navoy station is one of the most elegant stations in the metro system, known for its blue domes and traditional oriental design. However, sometimes it can be really busy. If you want to feel the energy of central Tashkent, our next stop is a great place to visit. This square is always full of people who came here to relax, enjoy the atmosphere, and take a walk. And now we are in Amir Timur Square, which is the heart of Tashkent. Modern buildings and one of the most important buildings, hotel buildings, as you see, are located in this square. Also, there are some universities, some local governmental administration buildings. And this is Hotel Uzbekistan. You can't really miss this building, and many locals know this building instantly because of its unusual design. Another interesting building that you can see in the square of Amir Timur is the Museum of Amir Timur and its dynasty. It tells the history of Amir Timur and its empire, which played the biggest role in the history of Central Asia. You can buy the tickets right there in the building, or you can buy the tickets online. As the day comes to an end, we move to another side of Tashkent. If you want to experience the modern face of the city, Tashkent City is a great place to spend your evening. Here you will find Tashkent City Mall with plenty of shops, large central park, and the famous Fountain Show. And finally, after a long way of exploring, this is the also perfect place to slow down, enjoy the dinner, and take in the atmosphere of a nighttime Tashkent.
And before we finish, I have something special to tell you, everybody. I have created the digital guides for those people who are coming and planning to come to the city of Tashkent. I have created the digital guide where you can find information about transportation, about the metro system, local food spots, hidden gems, and the places to visit. So if you are interested, please scan the QR code or go to the description. Also, I offer a private walking tours. If you want to enjoy the city of Tashkent with a local person who's living there for all his life, you are welcome to go to the contact section, and then you can find the contact information there. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze like